Hello friends, today I am going to discuss about Cushing syndrome. Cushing syndrome is a specific form of Cushing syndrome caused by an excess of adrenocorticotropic hormone, that is ACTH, from a pituitary adenoma, which leads to overproduction of cortisol by the adrenal glands. The condition is characterized by symptoms associated with high cortisol levels. Cushing disease is primarily caused by a benign tumor, that is adenoma, of the pituitary gland that secretes excess ACT. This increased ACTH stimulates the adrenal glands to produce excess cortisol. Less commonly, Cushing disease can be caused by ectopic ACTH production from non-pituitary tumors. Symptoms include weight gain, fragile skin that bruises easily, purple stretch, that is stretch marks, delayed wound healing, hypertension, diabetes, muscle weakness, osteoporosis, depression, anxiety, hirsutism, and menstrual cycle disturbance or amenorrhea in women. This is all about Cushing syndrome. So, thanks for listening.